Ciao Tesla people! So today another accessory, this time is from Hansshow, and are the lights for the trunk, and it goes all the way around the liner here. I have a discount code, 20% off. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can check it out. So let's do the installation. Okay, first one, an unboxing. And it should be pretty straightforward to do the installation. So I have some stickers and some magnet because they turn off on when you open or close the trunk, sorry, and they connect to the 12-volt battery plug, which in Model Y Juniper is right behind here. So I need to plug it over there. Okay. So let's see how the installation goes, and I'm going to start to put the lights from so the light is from this side, okay, so this side, and I'm going to leave some slack here for the wire, and then I'll go through around the liner. Okay, so let me put you down here so you can see the entire trunk. So this, they go inside like that. Okay, so let me put there is enough space for the light that is up here. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to start to put, you see, you just pull up the liner. Actually, let me grab one of those orange tool so that it's much easier to pull up the liner. Going to use one of these guys. Okay, so I can do it super easy, at least I hope. The light is there. Yep. There. Okay. So this part is a bit boring because I'm just doing the installation, but it's pretty straightforward. Okay. Looks like I don't need the pliers. And you just want to tuck it in so that it goes underneath this rubber thing. Okay. Okay, looks good. It takes a bit of time because you have to go the entire perimeter of this. So, okay. Okay, looks good. Let me turn this guy. Let me go to the other side. Then if you want to tuck it more in, you can. It's up to you. So it's not difficult to put it in this thing. It's just takes a bit of time because you have to go through this rubber thing. Okay, good. Very good. Very good. Let me put this one right here. Hope you can see everything. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Takes just a bit of time. That's all. And this goes all the way. Let me see if does it reach? Yeah, it should reach. Yeah, like that, and then goes down. Yeah, it's a bit difficult to reach up here. Okay, so you can fix it like that. Okay, now let's put it inside here. I mean, the installation is not difficult. It's just that you have to go through this to insert the light in the rubber thing. Okay. Okay, getting there. Okay, slowly. Let me put something like this so I don't get dirty. This part is super, looks much faster than the other one. Okay. You can fix it like that. Okay. They have this for different cars, different models. Also, they have different colors. I think they have like a warmer white and you know, a more white color type of thing, like LED. So I think they sent me the white one. Okay, almost there. Almost over. And then I can fix it later, this, to make it look nice. Okay, so let me tap in here. Okay, now actually let me okay, now let me read the instruction. So the thing is in the plug, and then there should be the power consumption is between 20 and 35 watts. Operating voltage is 11 to 18 volts. Waterproof, of course. Lining LED bit with silicon tube. Okay. Now let's plug this guy in the 12 volt plug. Here, this is the light. It's on. It's all white. Now you can, of course, you can fix it as much as you want. This guy. Now there is the, where did it go? Oh, here. Now there is the magnet that will switch on and off when you, of course you can also so here, let me see if you, yeah, so here is a bit longer, so I can cut it and make it shorter. I'm going to do it later. And this is the magnet that you attach to the the trunk here when it closes, so that it will close this part. Okay, so when I touch this guy here, it's basically a switch right here. Let me show you right here. Okay, so down here where there is the magnet sticker. So if I put the magnet close by, it becomes a switch. So you need to attach the magnet to the trunk corresponding to this location. So they give you two stickers, and to attach this magnet to the trunk. Okay, so I'm trying to remove this piece of sticker. I'm going to, yep, works both ways. So I'm going to put it this guy here, yep, and then remove this, and then we'll go back a bit so that I can place it in the right location. So this is right here. My guess is around here. Around here, maybe. Let's see if it works, okay? Not sure it's going to work. I need to figure out that. Let's see. Actually, where is my phone? Yes. Is it closed? I think it is. Let's check it out. Let me go to check it out if it's off. So if I close this guy, yep. So come a second with me. I will show you what's happening. So if I open the door, here the lights are on in the trunk, sorry, which is the correct way. Now, if I close the door, they shut off. Okay, that's the point of the magnet. It becomes basically a switch. Okay, so let's go back and see if everything is correct placed. I think so. Very cool. And so and so on. Now I need to just clean it a bit, and that's it. So if you're interested in this product, the company is called Hansshow. I'm going to leave all the links in the description. The discount code 20% off Ciao Tesla. You can check it out and let me know. Please comment down below. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share, comment, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.